everyone, welcome to Mama Africa's Kitchen again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a banana cake with the box mix. So we are going to use this one here. This is what we are going to use. And we have 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of butter, and 4 bananas. And we are going to use the raisin also. I'll add a little bit of raisin. So it's going to be delicious, guys. Believe me, I've tried it. It's so good. So this is the shortcut way. So we'll start with our peeling our bananas. You need them ripe like this. You need your bananas to be really ripe. Make delicious banana cake. Ripe. So we are going to mash them first. Mash our bananas. I already preheated my oven at 350 and it's going to take around 35 to 40 minutes to cook. So you just mush your bananas, make them mushy. This is it. Then now I'm going to add my eggs. Eggs. Then I'm going to add butter and milk. Now I'm going to add my flour. If you don't want to go to the process of mixing everything, just use the pre-made, the pre-mix. It's already pre-mixed for you. I'm going to use this one. We are going to add our lens. The raisins. Mix it well. Going to be delicious cake. So anytime you have your leftover bananas, you can always do this. Don't throw them away when they are too ripe. Use them for smoothies, cake, bread, banana bread. There's so much you can do with the banana. This is it. I already greased my pan. You don't want them to stick, so you have to grease the pan. So right now, I'm going to use 2 pans. I can eat one today, one tomorrow. Keep one for tomorrow. That's it. Now our oven is already preheated. So it's time to put them in the oven and wait. And let them cool for at least 10 minutes. Here we are. So we are going to wait for them to cool for 10 minutes. Then we'll slice them. Hello guys. Now we are going to cut our cake and serve it. Oh my God. Just look at it, how delicious. How delicious. Wow. Wow, wow, everyone. It's so delicious. One more thing, guys. Now I want to serve it with my ice cream. So I'm going to serve it with my ice cream. So this is it, guys, with my ice cream. Very soft, very moist. It's so delicious, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And share with your friends and family. It's very, very yummy. Bye now.